I finish my daily work. I finish my daily work. The day is almost over. The day is almost over. I feel very tired now. I feel very tired now. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face well. I wash my face well. I brush my teeth now. I brush my teeth now. I wear my comfortable pajamas. I wear my comfortable pajamas. I drink a warm tea. I drink a warm tea. I prepare my cozy bed. I prepare my cozy bed. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I open a good book. I open a good book. I read for 10 minutes. I read for 10 minutes. I put the book away. I put the book away. I close my tired eyes. I close my tired eyes. The room is very quiet. The room is very quiet. I think of happy things. I think of happy things. My body starts to relax. My body starts to relax. I breathe in very slowly. I breathe in very slowly. I breathe out very slowly. I breathe out very slowly. I feel very calm now. I feel very calm now. Good night to everyone. Good night to everyone. I drift to deep sleep. I drift to deep sleep. Sweet dreams to you. Sweet dreams to you. See you in morning. See you in morning. Now I am sleeping soundly. Now I am sleeping soundly.